No matter how hard you try, you will never be able to match the sheer sex appeal of this raving granny and tap dancing seagull.
Rachel Michelle Hutch.
Well, on the bright side, she'll never have to see any of those people ever again. Finally, this video answers the age-old philosophical question, I wonder what it would be like to be a black kid at a rave. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and there's actually another really funny dancing video that I can't post on YouTube due to the music, so I posted it on my new Facebook page instead, link below. While you're there, make sure to like the page too so you can get hilarious images and videos served right to your Facebook timeline.